Most people don't even think about their home landline until it stops working. But here's something that might surprise you. Across the whole of the UK, the traditional landline network is being permanently switched off. And if you're not prepared, you could lose your home phone service completely, without any warning. Welcome to A2B Network, your go-to place for free, simple and easy to understand help and guidance on all things connectivity. Connecting made easy. For decades, home phones in the UK have run on something called the PSTN, the Public Switched Telephone Network. It's the same copper wire technology that's been carrying our voices since the Victorian era. Reliable? Yes. But it's old, expensive to maintain, and simply not built for the modern world. BT Openreach, the company that owns and manages most of the UK's telephone infrastructure, has announced that the old PSTN and ISDN networks will be fully switched off. Every home and business in the UK will be moved over to a fully digital system. This isn't optional, it's happening to everyone, and the clock is ticking. So what does that actually mean for your family? Well, if you currently have a traditional home phone plugged into a wall socket, the kind that works even when the broadband goes down, that phone will stop working. It won't ring, it won't dial out, it simply won't function anymore. And it's not just your phone. Things like home alarm systems, care alarms, and even some older broadband setups could be affected too. The replacement for the old landline is a VoIP phone, where VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. Instead of your voice traveling down a copper wire, it travels over your broadband connection, just like a video call or a streaming service. The good news? For most people, it sounds just as good, if not better, than the old system. And in many cases, you can even keep your existing phone number. Here at A2B Network, our job is to cut through the confusion and give you free, clear, and honest guidance on VoIP phones and all things connectivity, so you can make the right choices for your home with confidence. No jargon, no sales pitch, just straightforward advice, completely free of charge. Now you might be thinking, does this mean I need to become a tech expert overnight? Absolutely not. For most households, the switch is surprisingly straightforward. In many cases, it's as simple as plugging your phone into your router instead of the wall. And if you're not sure where to start, that's exactly what A2B Network is here for. Free, plain English guidance on every step of the process, available on our website, www.a2bnetwork.uk, and right here on YouTube, at A2B Network Hub, whenever you need it, completely free of charge. However, and this is important, some people do need to take extra care. If anyone in your home relies on a telecare or personal alarm device, if you have a monitored home security system, or if your broadband isn't reliable enough to carry calls clearly, you'll want to speak to a provider before the switch happens. This is exactly the kind of situation where getting the right advice beforehand really matters. Head over to A2B Network, the link is in the description below, where you'll find free, clear guidance on what to check and what questions to ask your provider before the switchover affects your home. So when is all of this actually happening? The full switch-off is rolling out across the UK region by region. Some areas have already been switched over, others are coming very soon. The best thing you can do right now is check with your provider to find out when your area is scheduled and what steps you need to take. Don't wait until your phone goes silent to start asking questions. Here's your simple action plan, and every single one of these steps is something A2B Network can help you understand for free. First, check whether your current phone and any connected devices in your home are VoIP compatible. Second, contact your broadband or phone provider and ask them directly about the switch-off timeline for your address. Third, if you or someone in your household has a care alarm or a monitored security system, flag this to your provider immediately. Don't leave this one until last. And fourth, take an honest look at your broadband connection. Is it reliable? Is it fast enough? Because without a solid broadband connection, your new digital phone system simply won't perform the way it should. Not sure about any of these steps? Head over to A2B Network at a2bnetwork.uk, where you'll find free plain English guides covering every single one of these points and much more. The landline switch-off might sound daunting, but with the right information and the right guidance by your side, it's actually a really smooth upgrade. We, A2B Network, are here to make sure you and your family are fully informed and completely ready. With free, plain English advice and guidance available on our website and right here on YouTube, covering everything from VoIP phones and broadband to mobile signal and smart home devices. Head over to a2bnetwork.uk. The link is in the description below to explore our free guides and find out everything you need to know. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really does help more people find this free guidance when they need it most. Subscribe to the A2B Network channel so you never miss a new video. And drop a comment below if you have any questions at all. We read and reply to every single one. From all of us here at A2B Network, connecting made easy.